we'll guide you through how to use Trello board examples effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the home page by clicking on the Trello logo at the top left. Here, you'll see an option labeled Templates in the side menu. Click on that. This will take you to a variety of pre-made board templates categorized by purpose, such as project management, team collaboration, productivity, and more. Browse through these categories to find an example that suits your needs. Once you find a template you like, click on it to see a preview of how the board is structured, including the lists and cards it contains. To use it, click on the Use Template button. This will create a new board in your workspace based on the chosen template. You can then customize it further by adding or editing lists and cards, attaching files, setting due dates, and inviting team members. A great tip is to explore the customization options under the Show menu button on the right side of the board to adjust the background or enable power-ups for added functionality. Remember, these templates are fully customizable, so don't hesitate to tailor them to your specific workflow. By using Trello board examples, you streamline the setup process and ensure you're leveraging best practices for organizing your tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.